Today we're going to be talking about something that is going to piss off a lot of universities out there. Free online courses that are straight up replacing college degrees. And look, I get it. The whole you need a degree thing has been hammered into our brains since forever.
I know.
But here's the truth. You get robbed paying $100,000+ for a piece of paper when there are literally Ivy League courses that you can take for free. And I'm not saying that degrees are worthless, but I am saying that you should know all of your options before selling your soul to student loan companies for the next 20 years. So today I'm going to be breaking down completely free courses from places like Harvard, Yale, and Stanford that give you college level education without the soul crushing debt. These are 100% free courses that real people are using to land real jobs. So before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I make videos exposing the truth about education, careers, and making money that no one else wants to tell you. And let's get into it. All right, first up is Harvard's CS50. And this isn't just any computer science course, right? Because the CS stands for computer science. This is the computer science course. It's taught by David Milan, who's basically a rock star in the computer science world. And his lectures are more entertaining than half the Netflix shows that you're probably binging right now. And this course covers everything from basic algorithms to web development. You'll learn C, Python, SQL, JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Oh, and you'll learn the exact same material that Harvard students pay $60,000+ a year for. So you might be asking, why is it free? Well, Harvard partnered with edX to make it accessible to everyone. They're basically saying, hey, knowledge shouldn't just be for the rich kids. Now look, is this exactly the same as a 4-year computer science degree? No, obviously not. But think about this. Would you rather spend 4 years and $200,000 on a full CS degree or spend 12 weeks and $0 on foundational knowledge that actually matters? Probably the second one. And this course is perfect for anyone who wants to break into tech without massive debt. I'm talking career changers, high school grads, or people who just want to understand how the digital world actually works, right? What is going on under the surface? And companies like Google and Facebook have literally gone on record saying they don't require degrees. They want skills. And this course gives you those foundational skills in spades. So this one is honestly really well known. It's basically legendary throughout the internet. People absolutely love this one. People have made entire videos about it. I'm going to give it an opportunity score of 10 out of 10. It's recognized worldwide, and the skills are exactly what entry-level programming jobs require. And I've talked to people who've landed junior developer roles with nothing but CS50 and a few projects on GitHub. That's how powerful this course is. But it's also very difficult, so keep that in mind. Course number 2, Introduction to Financial Accounting by the University of Pennsylvania. Now, this isn't as big of a name as Harvard, but actually Wharton is the #1 business school in the world. And this is Wharton's financial accounting course. So Wharton Business School grads, they basically just go straight to Wall Street making obscene amounts of money. And this course teaches you how to read financial statements, understand balance sheets, and basically speak the language of business. It's the foundation of any business degree. Now, why is it free? Well, Wharton put it on Coursera with a free audit option because they want to improve financial literacy globally. And this course lines up with what you'd learn in the first year of a business administration or accounting degree program that can cost like $25,000 a year. So who's this for? Entrepreneurs, small business owners, or anyone who wants to understand how money actually works in companies. And if you've ever looked at a financial statement and felt like you're reading hieroglyphics, this course is for you because the skills translate directly to jobs in bookkeeping, financial analysis, small business management, and corporate finance. So super valuable skills. With that being said, you're probably not going to land a job just with this course. However, the skills you learn are going to be incredibly valuable and they can help you to land a job. So I'm going to give this one a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. All right, quick break. This Tuesday, 9 p.m. Eastern time, I'm hosting a free live workshop called The Greatest Business to Start in 2025. And at this workshop, I'm going to be giving away my brand new tool, Hidden Niche Finder, for free. This is a powerful GPT-driven tool that I've been working on. It's been trained on thousands of hours of my teaching, my philosophy, and coaching sessions, and it's been recently updated to make it even better. And with it, you can uncover hidden, profitable YouTube niches and generate viral content ideas in just one click. And I'm giving it away for this one time only at the workshop. So make sure you show up, click the link in the description or the pinned comment below, and when you're done registering, make sure to click on add this to your calendar so it'll show up in your Google, Apple, or Outlook calendar so you won't miss the chance to grab the Hidden Niche Finder. Now, you'll also be able to ask me questions live, so I look forward to meeting you. See you Tuesday at 9 p.m. Eastern time. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Now, another really good one that's business related is Financial Markets by Yale University. And this one one was created by Nobel Prize winner Robert Shiller. And this isn't just any financial course. Shiller predicted the 2008 housing market crash. So when he talks about markets, smart people listen. And this course covers how financial markets work, economic bubbles, risk management, banking, and real estate. So why is it free? Well, Yale put it on Coursera with a free audit option to improve global financial literacy. So this course aligns with what you learn in a finance or economics degree that costs like $60,000 a year at an Ivy League university. So it's perfect for investors, amateur or professional, business professionals, people that are weirdly obsessed with policies, or anyone with money that they want to grow. And the knowledge applies directly to careers in investment banking, financial planning, economic analysis, and policy development. So this one is extremely valuable. With that being said, it's not something that's going to get you a job on its own. However, it could help you to land a job. But I still think it's super valuable, and for those reasons, I'm going to give it an opportunity score of 8 out of 10. All right, next one is going to be model thinking from the University of Michigan. And no, this is not about studying Kendall Jenner. In fact, it's not sexy at all, but it's low-key one of the most powerful on the list. It teaches you how to use models to understand everything from traffic patterns to financial markets to political revolutions. Now, why is it free? Well, Michigan put it on Coursera with a free audit option because these thinking tools are too valuable to restrict. So the course covers quantitative methods that you learn across multiple degree programs costing tens of thousands each, and it's perfect for problem solvers, decision makers, or people who need to understand complex systems, or really just anyone who wants to think better. And the skills apply to careers in management consulting, data analysis, policy development, and research. So just as an example, if you got a random college degree and you weren't really happy with the job prospects, you might try to go into management consulting. And taking this would very likely help you get a good job in management consultant at a company like Bain, McKinsey, etc. With that being said, it's not going to get you a job on its own, but it's super valuable knowledge to know. I'm going to give this one an 8 out of 10 opportunity score as well. But the truth is, college degrees teach people a lot of these types of skills, and that's one of the arguments that a lot of these, professors or universities use, is we're not just trying to get people jobs, we're trying to teach them how to think. Well, that's exactly what these free courses do online as well.
What's happening, guys? In the editing process of this video, and I have an opportunity for a select group of people. So these are people who are serious about growing their personal brand on YouTube. So basically, we figured out recently how to grow a personal brand and combine all the upsides of a personal brand with the upsides of automation, right? Using AI, using things like this to basically grow your personal brand 10 times faster, which in the past used to take decades to do. And now you can do it significantly faster. And you can do this to get a better job. We work with beginners that just want to get a better job with their personal brand. You can do this to make money as a side hustle. We work with a lot of people like that. We can do this to make more money if you already have a side hustle or a small business. Or if you're already crushing it on YouTube, we can help you crush it 10 times more. We've worked with people like that as well. I literally can show clients at each level. People that we've gotten from 0 to over 10K, 0 to like over 30K, from like 1K per month all the way up to 185K per month, from around 30K per month all the way up to over 500K per month. So literally at every single level, and it works for everyone in every situation. With that being said, we are only working with 3 to 5 people, and they have to be people who are very serious, right? People who are dedicated to making this work. So if you think you're that type of person, go ahead and apply down in the description and the pinned comment below, and you could be part of our group of 3 to 5 that we help. So see you there. Have a good one.
All right, the next one is the Introduction to Mathematical Thinking at Stanford. So Stanford's mathematical thinking course is about to change how your brain works. This isn't about calculating, it's about mathematical reasoning, how to construct proofs, think logically, and approach problems like a mathematician. So why is it free? Stanford put it on Coursera with a free audit option because these skills are foundational to so many fields. And this course aligns with transition courses in mathematical degrees that would cost you likely $60,000 a year if you took them from Stanford. So it's perfect for STEM students, programmers, anyone struggling with advanced math, or logical thinkers who want to level up. And the skills apply to careers in software development, data analysis, scientific research, and engineering. So yeah, this is another one where it'll help you land a job, and more importantly, it will help you to think better, which is what colleges always say, and it's what a lot of people argue about in my comments section, for college, is that a lot of these certifications and online courses and certificates, etc., they might help you to get a job, but they're not going to help you to think logically, and that's the value of college. And I do somewhat agree with that, but with that being said, you still don't have to go to college because these courses can help you to think logically as well. And if you want to see more of these, check out the 5 free online courses from Harvard University to boost your career by clicking right here.